Add binary. Okay. Given two binary strings A and B, return their sum as a binary string. Oh, okay. So 1 plus 1, 1 is 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Probably, well, I mean, we would want to add them in reverse order. And we can probably use a zip thing with an iterator. Okay, well, let's get set up. This is number 67. LC 0067. Add binary, no semi. And then we'll say pub struct solution. And then copy, paste. And return toString. Okay, and now test mod. Test, example 1. Assert equals solution at binary. And we'll just do 1, 1, toString. And 1, toString. Should result in, yep. I thought that would tab over a little bit more. Okay. 1, 0, 0, toString. Okay, so that fails the test here. So now we have to write it. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's do it the obvious way, and then maybe we can clean it up later. So we can say let can we convert this just to regular binary and then reconvert it back at the end? Would that be the easiest way, or would it just be easier just to keep them as strings? Because I could say let a equals vecchar. Oops. Equals a dot chars collect. Right, and I can do the same thing for B. And then we can go in reverse order. Right, and then just loop over each one and then create another vec of chars. And then convert those. Yeah, let's try it that way. Let's see how that works. Let mut I equals 0 while I is less than a len and I is less than b len. Oh, we need a carry. And we're going to need our result. And we want the result to also be a vec of char. Oh, it should be able to infer that based on what we push. Okay. So carry should be, I guess, a bool. And then we can set it or clear it as needed. Okay. If, I guess we could say match AI, oops, and B of I. If it's 0, 0, then we want to push carry. Okay, so this is where, yeah, adding, because we need to add all three numbers together, A, B, and carry. So maybe we do convert these to integers. And all we do is say here is map. Maybe I make this a little routine. Panic. Oops. Dot collect. It doesn't like that. What did I do wrong? Oh, match C. It still doesn't like that. Oh, I forgot to close here. No. Oh, it's right there. Okay. That's the closing of that, and that collects that. Oh, I hate when I do this. Okay. Oh, yeah, I still have this mess here. Okay, let's clean that up. There we go. Oh, this is a character. And then we can't collect into vec I32 because, okay. Basically, we want the same thing here for B. And now we can actually do adding, right? And change this carry to a 0. While I is less than A len and I is less than B len, we can say if let sum is equal to A of I plus B of I plus the carry bit. And then we can say result push sum and 1, a lower bit, and then carry becomes sum, the 2's bit shifted down by 1. And then we want to throw in the result of the carry after that, right? So we can say while I is less than A len, because A len might be longer or B len might be longer, and we do the same exact code as here, except we eliminate the B part of it, and then we do the same thing for B, because B might have been longer. And then finally, we have a carry bit left over at the end, which if it's set, we want to result push carry. Okay, so println, let's just see, println result this, and it should be 1 0 or 0 0 1, right? Because it's in reverse order. Back new. Oh, it's string. That's right. I forgot it's supposed to be a string. Computing. Oh, and it's infinite loop because I never incremented I anywhere. Huh. Let's see if I can kill this here, and it might still be running. I'm going to pop open a window over here and see if it's there. PS. Yeah, it's still running. Oops. Okay. Killed. Cargo run. So I saved it. There. Oh, cargo test. It failed, but it did print out 001. Okay. So we're getting closer. And we just have to convert that to a string. let answer equals toString, while let sum x equals pop, result.pop, if answer equals 1, and x equals 1, and swr.push 1, else answer.push 0. And we can just return answer. Bacon test. Okay, so that passes that test. Let's try example 2. X2. Solution. Add binary. 1010 plus 1011. And that's going to be equal to 10101. Okay. So that test passes. This is kind of a long solution, but it doesn't even fit on the whole page. That's all right. We'll get as much as we can and do a second paste. Like that. All right. Submit. There we go. 20% faster. Not bad. Or faster than 20%. I keep saying that wrong. Let me make that go away. Okay, so that's a reasonable solution. Maybe zipping the iterator would make this a little cleaner, but I don't see how it would help by much. Oh, and this is awkward. The way that got pasted in. Where's the cursor? Oh, it's black. That's the problem. It's hard to see. There we go. All right, and it still runs. Not a bad solution. Problem 67. Add binary. All right. That's our answer. Now we get to tick the box. Boom.